18 minus 6 divided by 3 times 4. Most people solve it wrongly by starting with this subtraction first. If you start with this subtraction, 18 minus 6, this is going to give us what? 12 divided by what? 3 times 4. Alright? Now, 12 divided by 3 is going to give us what? 4 times this 4, which is equal to what? 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, division and multiplication have equal priority than addition and subtraction, right? They are the same priorities. They have equal priority, but multiplication and division have higher priority. Okay? So this is parenthesis, this is exponent. So now we are solving with this rule from left to right. So if we solve this question, which is 18 minus 6 divided by what? 3 times 4. First of all, I will show you two methods of solving this, okay? I will show you a fraction method and I will show you the normal order. So now if we solve this, first of all we have to do this division because we are following it from left to right. So 18 minus 6 divided by 3 is going to give us 2 times 4, right? So now we have to do this subtraction, this multiplication. So 18 minus 2 times 4 is going to give us 8, alright? So 18 minus 8 is going to give us 10, alright? So this is the answer. Now the second method I want to show you is this. Let me show you the second method. Now this question, we can write it in a fraction form like this. 18 minus 6 divided by 3 times 4. Okay, so this division, we can write it like this in a fraction form, which is 18 minus 6 over 3 times 4. Okay, so now we are going to multiply this. So we are going to do this first, this multiplication first. So we have 18, 6 times 4 is going to give us 24. So write down minus 24 over 3. Okay, so let's divide this before I will subtract. So 3 into here is 1. 3 into here is what? 8. So what we have left with us here is 18 minus 8. So 18 minus 8, this is equal to what? 10. Alright? So that's how to solve it. When you use your fraction method, you get this answer. When you follow it straight, you get this answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, comment, hit the like button so that the algorithm can push this video to more people. Thank you so much for watching.